Three tips for maximizing dairy yield: a guide for farmers. Dairy farming can be a challenging business, but there are several things you can do to ensure that your cows are producing the maximum amount of milk possible. In this video, we'll share some tips for maximizing dairy yield on your farm. Tip number 1. Provide high-quality feed and water. Cows need a balanced diet that includes adequate amounts of protein, energy, fiber, and minerals to produce milk. Make sure your cows have access to high-quality feed and fresh, clean water at all times. Tip number 2. Ensure proper herd management. Keep a close eye on the health and well-being of your herd. Regularly monitor for any signs of illness or stress, and promptly address any issues that arise. Healthy cows are more likely to produce higher quantities of milk. Tip number 3. Maintain a clean and comfortable environment. Cows are more productive when they're comfortable. Ensure that your barn is clean, well ventilated, and maintained at an appropriate temperature. Cows should have comfortable bedding and adequate space to move around freely. Tip number 4. Optimize milking procedures. Efficient milking procedures are critical to maximizing dairy yield. Ensure that your milking equipment is properly maintained and adjusted, and that your staff are well trained in proper milking techniques. Tip number 5. Use technology to your advantage. Advances in technology can help you optimize your dairy farm's performance. Consider using software to monitor herd data, track feed intake, and analyze milk production to identify areas for improvement. Thanks for watching. By implementing these tips, you can help ensure that your cows are producing the maximum amount of milk possible, and that your dairy farm is thriving. Don't forget to subscribe.